Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Ford Kuga 1.5 EcoBoost 150 brake horsepower. This is the ST Line X model. This car is finished in frozen white. Previously was used in the Isle of Man, so it will be re-registered onto a UK plate, which will go onto a 68 plate. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, the grey grille, front fog lights. You've got the front parking sensors, which is part of the park assist pack, body coloured styling kit, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, body coloured door handles. You've got the matte black roof rails, and this has got the panoramic sunroof with the opening front panel. You've got the rear privacy glass, 19-inch black alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel. Inside the car you've got the black Alcantara upholstery with the leather side panels and the red stitching. ST Line threshold plates. Into the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers sat in the back. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. You've got the centre armrest with the twin cup holders, and then 12-volt plug-in for accessories. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving on to the rear of the car, again you've got the rear parking sensors, which is part of the rear the park assist pack. Power tail lift. So into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. "12-volt plug-in for accessories." This car is equipped with the space saver spare wheel. Push the button to lower the tailgate. Moving around onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this has got the electric folding mirrors. Automatic headlamps. The driver's seat has got the electric adjustment. Centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box there's 2 USB plug-in points, twin cup holders, 12-volt plug-in for accessories. So we've got 23,417 miles. 6-speed gearbox. So you've got the controls for the park assist. So when you press that and just select which parking space you're looking for, and then there'll be instructions telling you what to do to help you park the car. Controls to turn off the parking sensor. You've got the power tail lift button, stop start deactivation switch. This car's got the heated front seats, dual climate control. Then you've got the 8-inch touchscreen media system, so that's got the full screen navigation. On the audio side you've got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations, CD player, And you've also got the Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device. Back to the home page. Controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. On the other side we've got the controls for answering and rejecting phone calls. You've got the black leather steering wheel with the red stitching. Then you've got the panoramic sunroof. So you've got the opening front panel. And you've got the roof blind. Okay, so back outside the car again. Identification plate that tells it's the Ford Kuga ST Line X 1.5 EcoBoost Euro 6.2 engine. It's a two-wheel drive version. Moving forward now, you got the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.